Hello traders, hello everyone, my name is Gregor Horvat and welcome to our new episode of Surfing the Elliott Waves, where I'll look at some of the most interesting developments for this week. This video has been brought to you by Orbex. I will look at the euro dollar, euro yen, crude, CAD and gold. Now looking at the big picture of euro dollar, we are here definitely making a very strong turns, and maybe there will be even a retest of these 2018 highs here, or we will just stay sideways. I have different wave counts here, but for now we just have to remain bullish here, at least on the short-term charts, because the trend is rising. Okay, so looking at the two wave counts that I'm tracking here on a daily level. Now first one is maybe an ABC X ABC correction. It's a very tricky count for now because we don't have any significant overlaps here, but even if we are observing this kind of a wave structure, well, it still suggests that we will see more upside, because even wave C is a motive wave, meaning that we need 5 waves up from 1.16 level. Okay, so even if you have this aggressive bearish count, which would suggest that maybe in 2021 we'll see aggressive sell-off, you still can expect more upside, at least in the near future, to complete this wave C rise. Now, well, I have another wave count here suggesting that maybe we are here making an impulsive recovery, meaning it's a very strong 5-wave rise. But even this one suggests that we have more upside, at least in the near future, to complete this current red wave 5 cycle before market turns for a pullback and then even more upside. So somehow both of the wave counts suggest the same, at least for the short term, that we could see potentially more upside. Now looking at the 4-hour chart here, we can see wave 1, then you have a pullback, and it looks like that this could be now maybe extended wave 3 here in progress. So I think that this could be currently a correction. If current fourth wave on a smaller degree will go a little bit more sideways in the next few sessions, then this could be also a triangle. If suddenly we get any new dip below yesterday's levels, then I think next support could be at 1.2070 down to 1.2040. I'm looking for euro dollar to remain bullish as long we are trading above this 1.2 level, which was the previous peak here. Now let's take a look also on the euro yen. Now euro yen is somehow matching with the euro dollar view. Now firstly, on a daily chart, I'm expecting a retest of this 127 level. So it's a very strong resistance, but still it could be retested after this current consolidation is finished, which appears to be underway here at the moment here on the 4-hour chart. So what I'm looking at here is a wave 1, you have a wave 2, and now extended wave 3 underway. Okay, so I think that more upside could be coming out of this current small consolidation, because you can see that price action is actually very slow, while the previous recovery was very sharp. So that's an impulse that appears to be a correction. Normally when that's the case, well, you can expect that market will make another strong move in the same direction like the previous one. And now let's take a look also on crude oil. Now crude oil is definitely bullish on the daily chart. Okay, but keep in mind that we can be approaching very strong resistance at $48 per barrel up to $50 per barrel. So I would not be surprised if we see some kind of a deep 3-wave pullback at the start of 2021, maybe already at the end of this month. So we'll see how things plays out, but I really think that we should be aware that maybe this first 5-wave cycle here from $33 or $34 support can be coming to an end. So looking at the 4-hour chart here, maybe we have a final push coming here towards new highs, as I said, $48, maybe even $50 per barrel if the move will be extended, but then just be aware of potential reversal. Now support for this 4th wave, the first one has already been found at $44. Well, if we go a little bit more sideways here, then this could also transform into a triangle, meaning that the support could also be this trend line. So as long as we are above $44, I think that this energy has room for another leg up here. So if crude oil is going to see more upside, then dollar CAD I think may continue to weaken. Now looking at the 4-hour chart here, I'm tracking this 5-wave drop out of this 4th wave triangle. So far we have only waves 1, 2, and looks like that we are now in a wave 3, meaning more downside here could be coming for a wave 5. But keep in mind that this current drop is part of the higher degrees, final leg of this higher degree 5-wave cycle. So this was wave 1, you have a wave 2, then extended wave 3, wave 4, and now you are in wave 5. So despite room for more weakness here on the intraday charts, well, you should be aware that maybe we are here moving into very deep levels, oversold conditions, not only on dollar against the CAD, but also on other dollar pairs. So just be aware that maybe those cycles will come to an end at the start of 2021. And now let's take a look on the final market today, which will be gold. Now gold has made a very nice and deep retracement here. We've been looking for this to be a correction and a potential bounce from 1764 support, which proved to be unfolding very nicely here actually. And it appears that this free wave drop can be finished for a wave 4, meaning more upside can be seen, especially because on the 4-hour chart we have very aggressive recovery above this trendline resistance. We also broke and moved above 1850 level, which was potential resistance, but if the resistance is broken, then you know that bullish continuation could remain in place. So either we go more upside, we see more upside from here, or after a free wave drop, it doesn't make really any change here. I think that in both cases market remains in bullish mode as long as we are above 1762 or 60 level. If we suddenly get any pullback here, then I would be watching for a potential support here at 1820 or 1823 level. Okay, traders, thank you very much for your attention. I hope that you enjoyed this video and talk to you soon. Bye.